Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have idea of wear just white colors, and because I have nice white boots that I will show you in the moment, I would like to make outfits all white. So let's go. So here we go, the boots. All white and very long and super high. So let's get dressed. One problem is I don't have any white gloves, and this is a problem. Problem number one, but I've got nice and white jeans and I have to wear them. Then some white t-shirts, jumpers and everything I've got, so no problem at all. So like I said, I don't have many white things, but I will do my best. So now let's start the outfits. It's gonna be, I think, a little bit crazy because all my whites cotton on my sofa, and actually I've got so many white t-shirts and just white jeans, white like trousers that I'm not gonna wear them today. Boots in white color. And also the two blazers. So I don't know. Let's try do something with this. Here we got the base. Base is gonna be just white crop top in from Zara, and my favorite white jeans from River Island. And I really love how they fit and how they look, and they are not see-through like so many white jeans. Also the white boots from David, and I will try make the first outfit with maybe blazer, and we will see how this outfit we can put them all. I think that it's gonna be very hard to create just the white outfit because so many white blazers or t-shirts or shirts, they've got black details or black print or just something, so it's very hard to create just white. But let's wear the boots, and then I will just wear a blazer and we will see how it looks together. So I've got my white boots and I really have to find a white gloves, nice and long. So it's gonna be my I don't know, priority of today. I'm sure I will stop filming and I will start searching the white gloves. Sometimes you can find them the second hand on the websites that I told you last time. It's like eBay, Vinted, or the Vestel collective. So, okay, I forgot that I cannot walk in this boot, so I just stand up and try to get something, and oh my god, yeah, those boots are very dangerous, so better do not walk in them. And yeah, but I really like the color, I really like the shape of this boot. The heel is so long and so high, oh my god, and they are really nice and pointy, so I will try show you details on the screen. But yeah, let's grab the blazer. It's quite far from me and it's gonna be difficult to take it at this moment, but we will see how this all outfits looking together. This blazer is really fantastic. I love this puffy shoulders, they are really amazing, and this looking so good because some white blazer will make you a doctor look or something like this, or nurse. I know that nurse or doctors, they don't wearing a blazer, but well, it sometimes looks like, you know, you are a doctor in the just white blazer. So I really love this because also the texture of this fabric is very good, very nice. And gold buttons that I really love, so any gold belt, for example, with this outfit could be also nice. So yeah, I started from this blazer, so we will see how it's gonna be now with the other blazer that I got from Zara too. Another white outfit idea, it is the Zara shirt. This is also with kind of the same fabric like the other blazer, and this is very, very nice and soft, softer than the other one. And we don't have any gold buttons over here, but we've got just the black detail there. It's like, okay, I will try make the screens and the close-ups to this clothing later, because it's very hard to stand up now for me to show you this. Okay, so with this blazer it's gonna be also a nice outfit, I guess. But it is more creamy white than pure white, but okay. It's gonna be still nice. Oh, I can stand. So yeah, we can put this over here. So this is just, you know, outfits to sit. Especially with these boots, because they are super high and some people say, oh, do not try walking them. And okay, but I want to. I want to try. So next outfit we will just put a plain t-shirt. The plain t-shirt, it is also with a little bit oversized style, and the sleeves are, this is like half sleeve, half not. I don't know how to say about this sleeve, how it's called, but I really like the shape, and it is a little bit oversized. Any gold jewelry and your outfit is complete, really. And of course, long gloves. Reserved t-shirt with the print, I don't care. So yeah, sometimes I don't care, sometimes I care. So, if you have, for example, any red detail on your t-shirt, then you can wear, for example, red gloves and red belt, and it's gonna be nice. Or any red, for example, handbag. Could be also nice, just red lips and this red print over here, and it's gonna be also so cool. Same rule now with this t-shirt. It is a Santorini that I would love to go in the future to Greece and see Santorini or Zakynthos or any other island. And well, with this I would like to wear, for example, anything in dark blue or navy color, or any color from this. So like the gloves maybe, or maybe nice hat in the blue color. It could be also good. So I think so many ideas you can just fill this outfit and make it complete. For example, black hat, very long suede boots or leather boots. This shirt is really cool and I really love it. It's nice, it's oversized, it's very long. I will try stand. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I will try stand up and show you how long it is. Can you see it? It's longer on the back and short, oh my god, shorter on the front. And yeah, so I will try to do this, but I have to take off my boots to grab everything from the wardrobe to show you this outfit, just complete, like I can see this outfit at this moment. So now without the boots I can show you this outfit, how I would like to create it with the white boots. Also can be black boots, also can be black leggings, but I would like to make it with the white at this moment because this is video about. So this is me And I really love to wear with this shirt this white belt because it's really cool, and this boots is very hard to put them on, and if I will wear them on I won't stand up again. So it's gonna be very crazy. And yeah, okay, so one is on, and we'll put the other one. It's inside this boot, it is material, well, fabric, and this fabric is like very good quality and soft. Usually we've got inside leather or suede leather. So okay, so my outfit is complete. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, I will be very happy. Please even leave a comment if you like my videos, or if you like this video, if you have any ideas that I can make it. I will try also make the all black outfits, because I think that so many people saying that black is very, I don't know, boring. It's very it's like funeral outfit, all black. It's not. It can be very stylish, trendy and elegant. So I would like to prove it and show you this. So it's gonna be next outfits soon. It's gonna be, I'm sure, all black. So see you soon in the next videos. Bye.